race is on. Are you ready? We know we are. The race to develop innovative, sustainable, state-of-the-art bicycle components has been on Hermann's Bike Components for over 60 years. We take pride in what we do, holding ourselves accountable for the results. We never settle for less. We always strive to become better than we were the day before. Hermann's is situated on the west coast of Finland in Northern Europe. In the cold and challenging climate, our high-quality products are tested and produced in our increasingly automated production facility. We develop pioneering solutions through collaboration between our in-house product development team, our customers, and our network of market experts via our operations in Central Europe and Taiwan. The result of this collaboration is safe, comfortable, and high-performing bicycle components. The growing range with bicycle lights and grips in the front line also comprehends market-leading products like rim tapes, guards, and reflectors. The target is to be the most valuable partner with the most appreciated bicycle components and thereby contribute to increasing cycling worldwide. We've set out to make cycling as green as possible, putting in the work to become carbon neutral by 2035. People, planet, and profit. We will do our utmost to succeed in all of our sustainability goals. As quality leaders, we have the responsibility to challenge and inspire, to be better, to do more, to pass a cleaner world onto our children with durable products that last season after season and year after year. We turn ideas into innovations. The race is on. Will you join us?